Okay, I can't wait. We're in the park today and we're going to go nature hiking. Yeah, I know. Woohoo! And our friends are here as well. Whoa, I can't wait to hike in all those places. Wow, just can't wait. Are you excited too, guys? I think that's a yes. Oh, I just love this chair, right, Skylar? Yes, I love it too. Well, I can't wait for the nature hiking. Woohoo! Okay, girls, we only have 5 more minutes until we go nature hiking, so get ready. Sure, we're almost ready, Mommy. I just love it. My closet. Ooh, I put a nice picture. Okay. I'm going to bring something good for the kids today. Let me see. Okay, we got some pastries and some more nice things. Whoa, Mommy, what do you got there? Well, girls, I got you some food. I know that you're hungry because we're moving right now. We're going nature hiking, Elsa. I never been. Maybe we'll see some unicorns. But Elsa? Yes? Well, I'm scared. What, Anya? We're just going nature hiking and I can't wait to hike. Well, what if there's tigers and he eats my flesh and my bones? Oh, well, if you look in the crack and in the eye, you know what will happen. What is it? Well, you will turn to stone forever. Oh no! Mommy! Oh, what is it, Anya? What is it? Elsa said if you look in the crack and in the eye, you will turn to stone forever. Oh, Anya, it's not true. Oh, yeah. But Elsa said so. Elsa. Oh, Elsa, she always makes jokes. Just don't listen to her next time. Sure, Mommy. Okay, Anna, it's time to warn the girls. We're going now. Wait, girls, there's a kite up there. Where? I don't see it. Oh, let's see. Whoa, the kite is over there. Wow, I see it. It's flying. Whoa, Mommy, it's flying. Whoa, it's in the high sky. I see it. Well, girls, we saw a kite. Now it's time to go exploring. Yes, Jack, honey, get ready to go in the car. Oh, sure, honey, I'm going to just get in right now. Okay, girls, we're here. Ooh, this is our truck. Now let's get on. Wait, girls, there's not a lot of space, so we have to take one by one. Oh, sure. Okay, I think you can stay in my lap, Elsa, and you can stay in mine. Okay, sure. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay. Let's go. Just a river patch over here. Oh wait, there's a bench over there, Mommy. Let's go and sit in it. Oh sure, we can relax in the river sides over there. And then we can stop. There's a lot. Okay, we're here, girl. Okay, we're here, and I'm the first one off. I'm just going to sit in this. Ooh, I'm going to stay over here and just put my head and relax. Elsa, come on, you're taking forever. Ooh. Okay, coming. Okay, I'm coming too. Girls, is it alright if we sit in this bench? Sure. And in a bit more minutes, it's time for lunch. Yeah. Thank you. Do you got anything? Sure, girls, we got some things because we just ate and came. Oh, yeah, we just ate and came. Okay. Mommy? Oh, yes, Elsa? Well, can we go over there and explore with Daddy? Sure, girls, but we are going to come with you too. Yep. Sure. Yep, I'm just for a bit. Jack, look! Oh, Jack! What? Oh, Jack, look! Honey, look! There's... What? No, Jack! There's a bug in your nose, Daddy! What? Oh, honey, there's a real bug in your nose. What is everyone laughing at? Come on, it's just a bug, so what's wrong with a bug? But it was in your nose. It is so funny. Okay, now stop the chitty chatting. We got more exploring things to do, and that's the best part. Come on, I can't wait longer. Oh, well, you know your daddy, girls. He always wants to do things very quick. Yeah, I know, Auntie Elsa. Okay. Girls, there's a butterfly. A yellow butterfly. Look. Oh, it went up. Where are you, little butterfly? Come back. Oh, great. The butterfly left. Whatever, we can just explore more. Maybe we'll find butterfly catchers and maybe we could catch a butterfly. Oh, wait. The butterfly is over there. Elsa, yes, come on. Okay, girls, it's about the stormy winter. We better hurry. Yup, come on, girls, we have to go. It's very noisy and over here. Yup. Come on. Oh, wait. I love the lake. Bye, lake. Okay, let's go back. We got more explore. Beep, 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 beep. Stop. Okay, girls. Now let's see what we could do. Yup. Okay, who's gonna get up first? Oh, me. Whoa, this grass is the softest grass ever. Come on, Elsa, you should really try it. Oh, come on. This is the best picnic. This is the best park day ever. We went on the weekends and remember we broke Auntie Elsa's leg. Yeah, we broke her leg one time. Oh yeah, I remembered that, girls. But don't do it ever again. But just look, we have more things to explore now. Okay. I'll wait in the car. Oh, come on, Anna. Oh, just kidding. Come on, girls. Come with me. I can show you around if you want. Oh, thank you. Let's go. Just sit in the ground. There's a bench where you could relax. Oh, yeah. Come on, Anna. Okay, I'm coming. Sure, one sit on the ground. Oh, come on. Let's just put the bench over here. Oni, are you sure this is a good idea? This kind of looks kind of creepy, and Mommy said that we should not go in deep into the forest. Well, come on, we are brave girls. We can do it. We even went mountain hiking. Okay, but just for a minute, I don't want to get lost in this place. Okay, come on, Elsa. You're such a scaredy cat. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Girls, can you hear me? Oh no, they're lost. We had to find them. How do you know they're lost? Well, they're not around the campsite.
Wait.
Let's search and search.
Wait a second. I see some footprints.
Yeah, let's follow them.
Wait, what's that?
Girls! Girls!
Oh, Aunt Mommy, I missed you. Oh, Elsa, what are you doing here? Well, Anya saw that this place is good for us to explore.
What did you do, Anya?
Fine. What you said is true.
Oh, Anya, you shouldn't do that. It's
Come on, let's go
dangerous.
back to the park, and then we could talk about this.
Yep, we'll tell
Come on.
Auntie Anna, okay, about this. Your mother will be so angry.
I hope you enjoy our video. See you next time.
Bye!
Hit the bell below. Bye!